Incident which happened with a student of Sanjay school in Poivoi, where a student of Sanjay school had an unfortunate fall due to a faulty railing at the Aadhaar card office. We welcome the order of the State Disability Commissioner, where he has asked the concerned departments to conduct an inquiry into the matter and to give compensation to the person with disabilities. However, we are demanding that the inquiry should be conducted by a committee headed by a secretary level officer, and persons with disabilities should be on the committee, because this is a very serious issue. This issue could have been avoided if it was not for the negligence of the government departments on the matter. So we are demanding that an inquiry should be conducted by a secretary level officer. We are also demanding that a compensation of 50 lakhs should be given to the person with disability who has suffered the spinal cord injury. And this 50 lakhs should not be taken from the taxpayers' money. Rather, it should be taken from the government officials who are responsible for this incident. Because we have seen in many places that these incidents are only because of the negligence of the government departments. The government departments are taking the maintenance of public buildings very lightly, and these incidents will be repeated until and unless the individual officers have been brought to task on the matter. Also, we have seen that there are a lot of spinal cord injuries happening due to road accidents in Goa. And the life of a person with disability or a person with spinal cord injuries can improve to a great extent if he receives rehabilitation and early intervention. But many people with spinal cord injuries have to go to Bombay or to Delhi or to Bangalore for rehabilitation, and many poor people in Goa cannot afford the same. So we are demanding that the Goa government start a spinal cord rehabilitation center in Goa to cater to the needs of spinal cord injury victims, because there are a lot of road accidents happening where persons with disabilities are becoming victims of spinal cord injuries.
You have mentioned about 50 lakhs compensation for that person.
Yeah.
But from that department, you said, or from where?
Officers, concerned officers who is responsible for that incident.
For that, what you are going to do? You are filing complaint or something?
No, we have asked for an inquiry. No, let the government appoint a secretary level committee headed by a secretary level. Appoint a committee, have a disabled person on the committee. Okay. Because this maintenance of government buildings is a big issue. Okay, and the incident is going to be repeated if this compensation not taken concern.
जो इन्सिडेंट झाला गुडघा पडला ते गव्हर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग ह्याच्या पहिलीच ते दुसऱ्या जागेत शिफ्ट करता म्हणून ऑर्डर काढलेल्या मग तुम्ही कोणाक हे करता कोणाक ब्लेम करता?
No, not the commissioner. We are not blaming the commissioner. Okay, the department who has not shifted the building, the department who has not maintained the building. Okay, the funds have not come from this thing for the maintenance, or the file has not moved from here to there. They keep passing the buck. So who is responsible? The committee should find out.